Yo, get ready to explore the fascinating world of history. I say one story at a time. What do you say? My name is Wanda P and welcome to NeoScribe. So today we will be touching and looking at the story behind the song Weeping by BrightBlue. So in the I'm not sure, early or late, 1897, a young South African composer, Enoch Sontonga, wrote the song Nkosi Sikelel, iAfrika, which is now our national anthem. If you can look at it, Enoch was not only just writing music or creating music, he created a prayer for all Africans, for unity and for the future. So, over the time the song spread across the continent, it became a symbol of hope. But things in South Africa, they were different, I guess. The black majority, South Africans, original people, were stripped their rights. They were forced to take their lands. They were banned from voting and treated as second-class citizens. So protests were met with violence, and the government did everything it could to silence resistance. Yeah. And so Nkosi Sikelel became a battle cry. It gave people strength and a reminder that freedom was worth fighting for. The apartheid government knew this, so they burned it. Fast forward to the 1980s, a group of white musicians, BrightBlue, the one I was talking about, saw the justice and they wanted to stand up. So they wrote the song Weeping, a song about the leader who ignores the suffering of his people. But they did even something braver, man. They snuck the song that they burned into their song Weeping. Okay, what a nice move. So by hiding Nkosi Sikelel inside their song, they sent a clear message. White and black South African were not enemies, but apartheid was the real enemy. And in 1994, the song that the government tried to ban or erase from South Africa became part of Africa's national anthem, a reminder that no matter how long oppression lasts, people will always rise. Viva, viva, viva. So I just want to say to you guys that music is not only just a sound, it's history, it's power, and sometimes it's freedom. I knew a man who lived in fear. Come on, sing with me. Yeah. I'm not sure. Let's see. But yeah.